Hello, my name is Loren, and welcome to this 15-minute Yoga Nidra practice. Begin to find yourself in a lying down position, using any props or pillows that you need to support your body so that you can find ultimate relaxation. Maybe placing a pillow behind the head, the low back, or underneath the knees. Allowing your body to completely sink into relaxation. You can cover the eyes or simply close them or take a soft gaze whenever you're ready, covering up with a blanket so that you stay nice and warm. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. 2 more times. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, sigh it out the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing the body even deeper. Letting the head become really heavy. So heavy that the neck feels like it can completely relax. Relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face, letting the forehead soften, calming down the movements of the eyes, relaxing your jaw, maybe parting the teeth and letting the tongue move away from the roof of the mouth, relaxing the neck and collarbones, relaxing your torso, releasing any tension in the hips, making final adjustments to your legs, upper legs, lower legs completely relaxed, all the way to the toes. The whole body feeling supported and able to rest. Inviting you now to set an intention for your practice or bringing in your Sankalpa, mentally repeating quietly in the mind 3 times. Maybe borrowing the intention of I deeply rest and find healing in this practice. Following the guidance of my voice, bringing your awareness to each body part, allowing you to notice the body part and move from one place to the next with awareness that glides easily across the body. Top of the head, center of the forehead, tip of the nose, air moving in and out the nose. Right eye, right eyebrow, temple, cheek, left eye, eyebrow, temple, cheek. Both eyes sinking down inside of the mouth, tip of the tongue, root of the tongue, inside of the right cheek, inside of the left cheek, teeth upper and lower, the lips, chin, center of the throat, base of the throat, center of the chest, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, palm of the hand, back of the hand, right thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, center of the chest, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, back of the hand, palm of the hand, left thumb, first finger, second finger, third, fourth finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, center of the chest, solar plexus, navel center, pubic bone, right hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, bottom of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe, ankle, shin, knee, thigh, right hip, pubic bone, left hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, bottom of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe, ankle, shin, knee, thigh, left hip, pubic bone, base of the spine, low back, middle back, upper back, both shoulder blades, back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, third eye center, the face, the upper body, all of the upper body, both arms, neck, face, the lower body, the lower body, the whole body at once. Awareness of the whole body. Feeling and noticing all of the body. Beginning to notice your breath. The natural breath moving in and out. The natural breath without changing. Observing the expansion of the lungs on your inhale and the relaxation of your rib cage on the exhale. Inhale, expanding energy, rising. Exhale, energy relaxing and soothing. Can you imagine now the breath inhaling through the soles of the feet, all the way to the mind's eye, and then exhaling from the mind's eye to the soles of the feet? Can you imagine now inhaling through the soles of the feet, all the way to the crown of the head, exhaling from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet? Inhale, soles of the feet to the crown of the head. Exhale, natural breath from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet. Continuing this awareness of the natural breath, observing the energy moving from the soles of the feet to the top of the head, all the way back down from the top of the head to the soles of the feet. Bringing back your intention of the practice or your sankalpa, mentally repeating 3 times your heart's desire or intention. Allowing yourself to lay in the awareness of your practice. Observing the true nature of deep rest in silence. Beginning to become aware of the thoughts and emotions and feelings you have in the body. Tuning into the breath, taking a nice deep breath in through the nose and exhaling deeply. Feeling your body on the support below you. Hearing the sounds around you in your room. Beginning to sense your surroundings and the things close to you. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes slowly, beginning to take any movement, like wiggling your fingers and toes. Maybe you feel like stretching. Allowing yourself just a few moments to feel what you cultivated during this short practice. Noticing any shifts that occurred. Allowing you to anchor in these feelings so that you may carry them with you the remainder of your day. Thank you for joining me for this practice.